Alright, so this is Judy, and she tries to bend forward, which you can try now. It hurts at what point? Right there? So that's not very far. And you said it's like a 5 on a 10 scale right now? Okay. So we're going to use this thing called the ATM2. And Christy's going to take care of that for us. And you can go ahead and stand straight up. And I'll be back to see what your results are in just a few moments. Okay, we just completed the ATM2 treatment. Now, see if you can bend forward without pain. Well, look at you.
Oh my God.
So what do you think of that?
That's wonderful. That's amazing. You did it again.
So there you go. So another success with the ATM2. Thank you very much. So this is Dean. He's having some back pain today, and show us how far you can bend forward without hurting.
They're starting now. Now it's bad.
So now it's bad. Okay.
Now it's real bad.
All right. So now we're going to use the ATM2 on you, and then we're going to see what happens. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So now the active therapeutic movements are being applied while he's strapped into the ATM2.
Is that okay? You're not feeling any pain?
No.
Okay, good. And again. And back to neutral.
Okay, go ahead.
So now I want you to go ahead and do the same motion that you did before the bending over and see how far you can go and when you have pain. Any pain? No pain at all.
No.
So what do you think of that? I told you, it's like magic.
I know.
It's freaky how it works.
Cool, huh?
Yeah, I mean, where'd it go?
It's gone.
It's gone. It just retrained your muscles.
I can go dancing.
It's good to go.
Ever since I had that, well, I don't know what you call it, but that machine.
The ATM2 he's referring to.
Oh, okay. That was like, that was a miracle. I had trouble walking up steps with my leg. That went away. My back was in such bad shape, I couldn't hardly do anything. I mean, I couldn't even work in the garden or anything. And ever since I've had it done, everything is actually better than it's been for a long time. My leg, no problem with my leg. My back, if I go 2 weeks without before I get adjustment, I'm really hurting. And I've never been this good after 2 weeks. So
good.
I don't know what it is. That was a miracle. That's for sure.
Right. So that's a lot of people ask me, how long does it last? So
it's still lasting.
Yeah.
I don't know how long it lasts, but it's lasted this long.
At least 2 weeks so far,
Yeah.
and one treatment.
Right.
Excellent. Well, thank you for that share.
Okay.
Right. Carol, bend to the right as far as you can until you feel pain, then stop. And see how far down your leg your hand is there. So, alright, and then come on back up. And now, what we're going to do is do an ATM2 treatment with you, which is using this device right over here that Miss Christie's going to help you with. And then afterwards, we're going to see if it helps with that problem, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so now this is afterwards. Let's see what happens when you bend now. Well, now you're below your knee. How's that feel?
It's just stretchy.
So it's just stretchy, but now you don't feel the pain. Well, for fun, try the other way. See if it hurts that way now.
Just a stretch.
Good. Now, it hurt a little bit backwards, so turn away from the wall and see how it feels to go backwards. That looks good, doesn't it?
Stretch. Yeah, it's just
So how do you like that?
very good.
See? So that's what an ATM treatment can do for you.
As you can see in this photograph, this particular patient could not bend backwards very far at all due to her significant pain. She has been in pain for many months, in fact years, and has been unable to bend backwards or enjoy much mobility recently. To her joy and surprise, as you'll see in the next segment, her ability to bend without pain. And the ability for her to move so far was quite surprising.
So now we just did the ATM treatment for extension. Now just see what happens when you bend backwards this time.
Oh my God.
Is that crazy? So, isn't that nice? How long has it been since you've been able to do that?
Oh my gosh, forever.
You never
I
been
could
able
almost do a back bend.
Yeah. So, all right. So that's another successful treatment with the ATM2, as we call it.
I was trying to get a picture.
All right. This is Lorraine. Lorraine, can you just bend forward just to the point where you feel pain in your back and then straighten back up?
Okay.
Now, how would you rate that pain?
It's probably a 5.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use the ATM2 over here, and we're going to see what effect it has on this problem.
Okay.
All right, so this is after the ATM's treatment. Now, see if you can bend forward again.
I know I can. I can feel it already.
What happened?
Yeah.
Wow.
Lorraine,
Wow.
what do you think of that?
I knew the moment I got off I wasn't hurting anymore.
Yeah, but you touched the floor.
You touched the floor.
Look, look, look,
Oh
look.
my God.
Now, when's the last time you were able to do that?
I can't remember.
Right. So, remember how I always get new tools?
Yeah.
That's why I get them. For people like
I
you
knew
that
the
are
moment I got
stubborn
off,
and won't get better with anything else we
I
have.
wasn't hurting anymore, you know? That's incredible.
Isn't it?
That's unbelievable. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
That's great. So, you think that's worthwhile?
Oh, absolutely. 100%.
I should keep
I
it?
want one.
All right. Well, there you go. That's an ATM2 treatment.
Okay. I'll have one of those again.
Okay, Frank, can you just bend your head back and tell me when it starts to hurt?
No.
Right there, and then come back to normal. What would you rate that as?
Pain?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the 5, 6, 7 range.
All right, so now we're going to use this device called the ATM2, and we're going to see if we can make some changes, and I'll explain what it does as we use it.
Okay.
All right, now this is after the ATM2 treatment. Go ahead and try that backwards movement again.
Oh, that's amazing.
How does that feel?
That's amazing.
Doesn't hurt at all now, does it?
No.
Now you've just experienced the miracle of the ATM2 treatment, which can give you immediate pain-free results within about 4 or 5 minutes.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
The ATM2 clinical system, along with your efforts and commitment to the ATM concept, offers the best possible results to take you from painful to pain-free in minutes.